Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. There's a bad news for each and every student जिनका admission अब तक नहीं हुआ है. The reason is Mumbai colleges are having their monopoly. ये मैं आपको काफ़ी starting से बोलते आ रही हूँ. The reason is there is nobody to ask question to the colleges which are affiliated with Mumbai University. मतलब ये जो system है काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब है. Yesterday I made a video where UGC has sent the letter to all the universities not to start their admission process or give a deadline before the CBSE results are announced. But Mumbai University के most of the colleges में admission complete हो चुका है and today only I got the information that some of the colleges are having their orientation which means उनका 1st August से college शुरू हो रहा है. Now talking about CBSE results and ICSE board का result वो तो आएगा this month end. Of course कल 20 तारीख है and you know everyone was saying कि July end but CBSE grade board is not opening their mouth. Now there is no fault of the student and we don't know whether the colleges are having any reservation particular seat for CBSE students or no, but knowing few colleges for sure जो कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, Xavier's, मिठीबाई, NM, Wilson College, इन्होंने guaranteed बोला है that they are waiting for CBSE results which means they will keep the seat reserved for CBSE student. Similarly UPG College ने आज ही students को ये बोल दिया that हमारा admission full हो चुका है, we will not be accepting any application henceforth. So that's a real bad news for all the HSC student जिनका एडमिशन या तो मिस आउट हो गया है या मेरिट में नहीं आया है, बिकॉज जितनी भी सीट अभी बची हैं यूपीजी कॉलेज में इट विल बी ओनली ऑफर्ड टू सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट. सो नाउ गाइज इट्स नॉट अबाउट एचएससी एंड सीबीएसई, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बैड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड स्पेशली बीइंग एन एजुकेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड यू नो एजुकेशनल बॉडीज, हाउ दे कैन बी सो इनकंसिडरेट टुवर्ड्स स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज इसमें तो स्टूडेंट की कोई भी गलती नहीं है. जो भी बच्चे सीबीएसई एंड आईसीएसई बोर्ड के हैं उनको किन कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलेगा, क्या उनके डिजायर्ड कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलेगा कि भी नहीं, हैज बिकम अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो गाइज आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू शेयर दिस वीडियो एज मच एज you can and tag the ministry or you know say university, because I'm going to share this video on Twitter so that at least our education minister UGC should know that what Mumbai colleges are doing. The reason is I want to do this because literally students are suffering for no reason, be it an HSC student, be it a CBSE student, because कुछ गलती के कारण हो सकता है HSC के बच्चों ने फॉर्म नहीं भरा है इंडिविजुअल कॉलेज के, but now colleges are not considering them because they want to keep reserve seat for CBSE students. CBSE students का रिजल्ट ही नहीं आया है and literally colleges ने अपना एडमिशन खत्म कर दिया है. Like literally they are sending back students saying कि अभी हमारे यहाँ पे कोई भी सीट अवेलेबल नहीं है. SN Shetty has called student and said कि BMS का अभी कोई एडमिशन अवेलेबल नहीं है हमारे कॉलेज में, आप BCom में एडमिशन ले सकते हो. There are colleges who are asking for donation for a student who scored 96%. मैंने एक स्टोरी भी शेयर किया है कल ही, ये कमेंट में बच्चे ने लिखा था, आफ्टर स्कोरिंग 96% and being a gap year student he didn't get admission anywhere. Colleges like HRNKC which belongs to HSNC University, why are they not considering gap year student? This is so unfair and nobody is asking question to colleges. Like there is no protocol that colleges are following, there is no particular rule कि college follow कर रहा है या फिर clear instruction दे रहा है. Everything is so random, be it asking for money, be it reserving how many seats, be it starting the college. Students इतना confused हैं and on the daily basis I'm talking to 10 to 15 students on personal counseling session as well as in live as well as on my comment and Instagram inbox. Everyone is tensed out there and our education bodies, be it CBSE board, you know, be it Mumbai University, everyone is just quietly watching that what's happening but no action is being taken. So I would request maybe you know Dharmendra Pradhan, our education minister, HRD minister, can do something about it because Maharashtra के पास तो फिलहाल अभी education minister कोई है नहीं and there's so much of political up down happening in our state, so we don't know where what will happen. I know guys after watching this video आपका टेंशन और बढ़ गया होगा, but you know I just wanted to give you a reality check so that you are not in that blind area which you know the news channels, maybe the colleges or the board is doing. The reality is that because students are visiting colleges, वो लोगों ने admissions actually ले लिया. Like supposedly 60 सीट है तो ऑलमोस्ट 40 to 45 सीट्स ऑक्यूपाई हो गए। नाउ यूनिवर्सिटी एक्स्ट्रा सीट देगा क्या CBSE के लिए? कितने कॉलेजेस अवेलेबल होंगे CBSE के बच्चों के लिए एंड ICSE बोर्ड के बच्चों के लिए जिन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, यू नो, स्कोरिंग वेल इन दैट 12th स्टैंडर्ड बट नॉट गेटिंग द डिजायर्ड कॉलेज। सो नाउ व्हाट यूनिवर्सिटी विल टेक एक्शन, और मिनिस्ट्री क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन पास करती है, UGC इसमें क्या रोल प्ले करती है, we'll have to see. But before the results come out, they should pass some solid regulations so that all the students should get fair chance and the admission in the desired college that, you know, that they deserve. मतलब कि अगर आपने 90 above score किया है and you are not able to study in the college that you wish to, that's really unfair without any mistake. मतलब, you know, इसमें actually students की कोई भी गलती नहीं है, whatever is happening. It's purely a mismanagement of, you know, our system, we can say, but this time is really worse. I think this is the worst admission phase that students have gone through, be it a gap year student, CBSE and everything. So let's see what happens, and you know, if anything happened with you also, you can share in the comment box. I would love to share it on my channel so that, you know, it's reach out to the maximum people and the concerned authority so that they can take some legit and solid action. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.